Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the focus mode on your iPhone. So if you have a focus mode turned on, you'll see an icon appear here. As you can see, there's a fire icon, so focus mode is turned on. So to access your focus mode, you can go ahead and swipe down on the control center, tap on the focus mode, which will just be here. Tap on this, and these are all the available focus modes on your iPhone. To turn off the focus mode, go ahead and tap on the one that's selected, and that will be turned off. To turn it on, just go ahead and tap on it, and to turn it off again, just tap on it again. Once you do this, this will turn off your focus mode. You can go ahead and swipe up and go back to your home screen, and your focus mode is now turned off. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn off focus mode on your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.